lifting up a book, running and smiling. Can you tell me what is the common thing in all these activities? The common thing in all these activities is use of muscles. Muscles are responsible for the movement of hands and legs and also for several other internal organs such as heart and intestine. We humans have a complex system of muscles which are known as the muscular system. Interestingly, our heart is made up of only muscle cells. Now, as we all know, heart is an organ which helps in the pumping of blood. As we are discussing about muscles, we need to understand what contraction and relaxation means. So, let's move on. Our muscles have the capacity to shorten, which is known as contraction. After the contraction, our muscles come back to the original length. It is known as relaxation. It is this contraction that generates enough force to perform any activity or any movement, may it be running, jumping or sitting. But do you know how many muscles do we have? We have 700 to 800 muscles. Amazing, isn't it? Let's move on and understand the types of muscles. There are 3 types of muscles: striated, non-striated and the cardiac muscle. So, let's focus and understand each muscle separately. Let's move on with the striated muscle. These muscles are attached to the bones and thus are called as skeletal muscles. That is, they are attached to the bones by tendons. Moreover, the movement of these muscles are under our control. That is, they are voluntary. It means that we can move our hands and legs the way we want and whenever we like. Let's move on and understand the second type of muscle, the non-striated muscle. These muscles are also known as smooth muscles and they are involuntary in nature. That is, we cannot control their contraction and relaxation. Let's focus on the last type of muscle, the cardiac muscles. Amazingly, as discussed earlier, our heart is made up of cardiac muscles that are involuntary in nature. That is why we cannot control the movement of our heart, that is, the contraction and relaxation. It is obvious that muscles support the movement, like walking, talking, sitting and standing. And they help in maintaining the posture and circulate blood and other substances throughout the body. So, exercise, build up your muscles and stay fit. Thank you.
For more such fantastic videos, follow Toppscholars.